Today we're going to do routine maintenance on a Stihl BR350 backpack leaf blower. I like to just wipe everything down with a rag that's been dipped in mineral spirits. Keeping dirt and debris out of the carburetor is really important, and this is a great opportunity just to make sure that your machine is in tip-top working order. I found a Stihl service kit for the BR350, and make sure that you have the right version. Check the serial number. It should have a spark plug, a fuel filter, and an air filter. You'll notice with this original equipment, the spark plug is actually a TDK spark plug. Be aware that some of the stuff that's sold on Amazon and on the internet has a cheap Chinese spark plug. You probably don't want to use that. You can use a screwdriver to pry open the cover of the spark plug, but you want to be careful because where my finger is pointing there's a wire. That's the plug wire, so you want to make sure that you don't scratch that with the screwdriver. When I take the old plug out, I usually compare it to the new plug. Even though the numbers check up, it's always good to do a visual check. This is really important. Always start the plug by hand to avoid cross-threading. If you do cross-thread and then you tighten it with the wrench, you can do some serious damage to your blower. To get the fuel filter out of the fuel tank, I made a little hook. I'll put a link in the video above. But as you're going to replace the fuel filter, it's just as easy to use a pair of long nose pliers and just pull the fuel filter out. Thanks for watching, and let me know if there's anything I missed in the comments below.